Drum roll please, the snap lock. Keep in mind the theme for this video is quirky knives from CRKT. And this one here, I'm going to tell you right now, it's not going to disappoint. It comes with a lanyard. The answer is yes. Check this out. We got a lanyard here. That's interesting. Got an adjustable button there in the back. And then we have a little one of these. Future me. What are these called? I'm having a brain fart right now. So that's a nice little addition there. Of course, paperwork. And that's pretty much it out of the box. So the snap lock from CRKT, I feel like we're sort of leveling up here as far as levels of quirkiness. Check this one out. Holy smokes, how does this work? Because, yeah, where do you put the password to get this thing open? It's a Van Hoy design, right? That's printed on the blade. CRKT knives are maybe borderline a little bit heavy on billboarding, but not too crazy. Decent medium font, if anything, so not too bad. The handle and the blade are one. And there's the pocket clip. And let's go ahead and try to get this open here. If I can figure out how to do so. Can you tell it's my first time doing this? Because it is. So if I do that, okay, hold on a second. Something is happening. This little lever here, or lever, is it's got some jimping on it. So as I pull it down, I think that would allow me to snap the blade out. So check this out. Look at this transformer. All right, Autobots transform. There we go. And there we go. That is the knife right there. Holy macaroni, the transformer of knife. Now, once it's in the open position, that is nice and locked there, unless I move the lever back down. So that's going to be your locking system. And it's called the snap lock. I mean, I feel a pretty good snap. Check this out. All right, let's do that one more time. All right. That is nice. So it has to do with this, the tension on the steel portion of the handle and how that snaps in place. All right, that feels good. You end up with a very nice Warney blade. That looks very good with some speed holes for extra horsepower. Got about 4 of them there, right? The theme is continued here with the pocket clip. That one also has some additional speed holes. Got a linear solution hole back there. But yeah, I mean, talk about a knife that looks nothing like your everyday knives. These knives are completely different. They, you know, to me, it feels like they come from a different planet. Like somebody traveled to the future and saw some cool steampunk designs, retro futuristic, and brought them back. That's what comes to mind. So definitely fits the bill there. Very, very quirky, to say the least. And, you know, I like the looks of it. Now, is it going to translate to the most ergonomically friendly knife out there? Well, let's see. I am able to get a full 4-finger grip here, right, with my average size hands. Full 4-finger grip. There's even a little bit of jimping here towards the sort of finger guard area. So that works. If we had some jimping right here or on the blade, I wouldn't have been mad, but that's not the case. So I'm nitpicking a little bit. Functionality wise, that would have been good. It's going to be a flat grind. It's going to be this bead blasted sort of gray tone finish to it. Again, future me double check the steel here because I believe 5102N is the model number. And that's how CRKT does their knives. They put the model number on the blade. So let's try closing this thing, right? So in order to close, I'm a righty, so I'm going to push down on this thing like this. Maybe go about 90 degrees and then finish up with my right hand. Okay, in order to open, can I do the whole thing with one motion? I'm going to try. Okay, so it will look like this. And then I'm going to finish with my index finger. Okay, so it's a little bit more of a methodical process. It's not going to be a fidgety knife you're going to open and close in about 1/10 of a second, right? This one's more of a slow, very interesting, right? Very mechanical opening and close. And I'll tell you what, I'm doing it one-handed, and I'm going to get better and better at it. But that is that's actually pretty solid. Look at this. There is actually no movement. I was afraid. Is it flimsy? Is it going to be moving all over the place? No, that is rock solid. Once it's locked in place with the snap lock, that is solid. No movement side to side, up and down of any kind. So for what it's worth, in case you were wondering halfway through typing a comment or something, oh, I wonder if it's going to be very flimsy, right? Not that strong. Well, the answer is, yeah, it's actually pretty strong there for sure. And I think we can get a better look here, right? If we get a little nerdy with it here, it has a little bit of a rectangle cutout here on the, again, top side of the handle. So a little bit of a rectangle cut out. We can see it from this angle, and there's a little bit of a rectangle cut out on the actual blade itself. So it makes sense that that rectangle cutout is going to go into that rectangular hole and bam, snap in place. And then the only way to be able to disengage is when you pull the lever here, it actually pushes the handle up. It pushes this upper bar or upper handle up, and that's how you're able to disengage, or in other words, get the rectangle from the blade outside of the rectangular hole. So I know that was a very scientific explanation, but hopefully that made some sense. Talk about a very interesting knife. Now, keep in mind, you could be a dummy like me and then fold it the opposite way. That's going to be a no-go, right? There's a reason why there's a pocket clip on one side, because you're meant to fold it the opposite way. So it's not dummy proof. So just remember that when you go fold it, right, just have it on the show side and then push down on the lever and then let it fold up, because then that way you'll be able to fold it the correct way. Bam. Again, I like how snappy it is on the open and close. The very nice diagonal milling here is actually pretty cool. That is very nice. And overall, I mean, this is just a very, very interesting knife through and through.